Fernanda, you can pick 3 friends.
I like how you read fluently and spoke clearly, but you could look at the audience a bit more next time.
I like how you speak clearly and when you didn't talk like a robot. I like the did you know and you read really fluently, but I think you could look at audience.
And I'll give you some feedback too. And I know it's hard to look at the audience and read at the same time, but you're getting, I mean, that's a really, probably the hardest thing we all have trouble with. But man, you had a lot of information about hippos. And she fit it all into one tiny brochure. I mean, I just learned so much that I never even knew about hippos. So way to go.